Welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. Today, let us continue our vocabulary session with phrasal verbs part 2. If you have not watched the part 1, please visit the playlist and watch. Let's learn some more very important phrasal verbs with their meanings and simple example sentences. Let's start. Phrasal verb. Phrasal verb is equal to a verb plus a particles. In the last class we had discussed in detail what is a phrasal verb. So phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and particles. These particles can be adverb or preposition, or both adverb and preposition may be associated with a verb in a phrasal verb. Today let us discuss phrasal verbs with adverb up. So these adverbs can be up, down, etc. Prepositions can be for, with, etc. So last class we had seen phrasal verbs with the adverb preposition for. So today we are seeing the phrasal verbs with adverb up. So these are the words. Try to make out the meaning: blow up, break up, bring up, call up, cut up, draw up, follow up, get up, give up, go up, hold up, keep up, let up, look up, pull up, put up, set up, sit up, take up, turn up, walk up. Let's see one by one. First one, bring up. Bring up means to bring a person to maturity through nurturing, care, and education. Bring up means to bring a person to maturity through nurturing, care, and education. Another meaning is to stop suddenly, normally in the case of ships, to stop suddenly. To bring to attention or to bring to attention. So that is bring up. An example for the first meaning, that is to bring a person to maturity through nurturing, care, and education. That is bring up. Parents are responsible to bring up their children properly. So that is to bring a person to maturity. Parents are responsible to bring up their children properly. That is first one. Second one, the enemies could not bring up our ship as we changed the course. Here the course means the direction. The enemies could not bring up our ship as we changed the course. So that is bring up. Here it is to stop suddenly in the case of a ship. The youth wanted to bring up the issue of unemployment. This is the third meaning. The youth wanted to bring up the issue of unemployment. Means they wanted to bring to attention. They wanted to bring to attention the issue of unemployment. That is bring up. The next word is blow up. Blow up means explode or start suddenly. Explode or start suddenly. Example, the plan of the terrorist to blow up the railway station was foiled by the police. The plan of terrorists to blow up the railway station was foiled by the police. So, to blow up the railway station means to explode the railway station. Next is break up. Break up means terminate or end. It can be a relationship, a meeting, or a session. So that is terminate or end. That is break up. Example, the college will break up next week for summer vacation. The college will break up, that is terminate the session next week for summer vacation. That is break up. It can be terminating or ending a relationship, a meeting, or a session. That is break up. Next is call up. Call up means telephone or recall. Many of my friends called me up to congratulate me. That is telephone or recall. Cut up. Cut up means distressed or cut into small pieces. She was cut up because she had been scolded by her teacher. So she was cut up means distressed because she had been scolded by her teacher. Draw up. Draw up means to write, compose, or draft. Example, he was busy drawing up the plans for the picnic. He was busy drawing up the plans for the picnic. That is draw up, to write, to compose, or draft. He was drafting the plans. Follow up. Follow up means a further action connected with something that happened before. That is follow up, a further action. This meeting is a follow up to the one we had last month. We had a meeting the last month, and this one is a follow up. That is in connection with the further action. Next is get up. Get up means rise up from bed, chair, etc. That is get up. Getting up early in the morning is a good habit. So getting up from the bed early in the morning is a good habit. That is get up. Give up. Give up means stop or abstain from or leave behind. That is give up. Example, he gave up smoking to improve his health. He stopped or abstained from smoking. Left behind that habit of smoking. That is, he gave up smoking to improve his health. Next, go up, increase or rise. The price of crude oil increased and that of petrol and diesel went up. When the price of crude oil increased, the price of petrol and diesel also went up. Means that also increased. Hold up means stop or delay. Hold up means stop or delay. Example, the result of the examination was held up due to pending investigation report of malpractices. The result of the examination was held up means delayed or stopped due to pending investigation report of malpractices. That is hold up. Keep up. Keep up means maintain. Always try to keep up the standard of life even in the face of crisis. Always try to keep up the standard. That means maintain the standard of life even in the face of crisis. Here crisis is a plural form. Its singular form is CRISIS, crisis. To make it plural, we need to replace this I with E. So crisis is plural, this one is singular. Let up. Let up means become less intense or stop or improve. Example, when the rain lets up, we shall go for a walk. When the rain lets up means stops, we shall go for a walk. That is let up. Become less intense or stop or improve. Look up. Look up. To become better or search or investigate. There are two meanings, that is to become better. Next is search or investigate. First one, our financial condition may look up next year. Our financial condition may look up next year means may improve or become better next year. Second one is the teacher said look up the word in a dictionary. That is search or investigate. Look up the word. Find out the meaning or search for the meaning in a dictionary. That is look up the word. Next one, make up. Make up. Forgive and be friendly. That is the first meaning, forgive and friendly. Next one is improve appearance. Compensate. Improve appearance or compensate. That is make up. First one, we often quarrel, but we always make it up soon after. We often quarrel, but we always make it up soon after. Means we forgive and become friendly after the quarrel. So that is make it up. Become friendly. Next one is you miss some classes. Now make it up by attending extra classes. So here it is. Compensate. You missed some classes. Now make it up by attending extra classes. So compensate. Next, pull up. Pull up means stop or scold. Pull up, stop or scold. First one, my car was pulled up on the way to market. Means suddenly stopped. That is pulled up. My car was pulled up. Next, the students were pulled up by the teacher for their misbehavior in the class. So the students were pulled up means were scolded by the teacher for their misbehavior in the class. So pull up has two meanings: stop suddenly and scold. Next, put up. Put up means to stay somewhere. To stay somewhere. Example, we put up at a small hotel for the night. We put up at a small hotel for the night. So that is to stay somewhere. Set up means establish. This factory was set up here in 1970. Was set up. Here set up is used in V3 form, that is past participle form. All the three forms of set is set only. Past tense also set only. So this factory was set up here in 1970. That is, it was established. Set up means establish. Round up. Round up means arrest. Example, the police have rounded up anti-social elements last night. That means the police have arrested anti-social elements last night. Sit up means stay out of bed or stay up. Example, she sat up till midnight waiting for her son. She stayed out of the bed. That is, she sat up till midnight waiting for her son. Take up. Take up means start a hobby or study. Start a hobby or study, that is take up. Example, she has taken up modeling as a career. Start a hobby or she has taken up modeling as a career. That is take up. Start a hobby or study. Turn up. Turn up means arrive or take place. Example, hundreds of people turned up for the strike. That is arrived in large number. That is hundreds of people turned up for the strike. Next, nobody knows what will turn up next. That is second meaning. Nobody knows what will turn up next. Turn up means take place. What will take place next. So that is turn up, arrive or take place. Work up. Work up means incite or instigate. Incite or instigate. Example, the politicians should not try to work up communal frenzy. The politicians should not try to work up communal frenzy. Here frenzy means madness. So the politicians should not try to instigate or incite communal madness among people. So that is work up, incite or instigate. So these are the phrasal verbs for today. If you liked, like, subscribe and press the bell icon for all notifications and share with all English learners. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.